It's nice to meet you, Bobby. Come downstairs.
Yeah. But you know what? They have it right. Why can't we use sound effects?
Dude, that's so funny. You know when you call out, when you're with someone, you call out their name in the house and they can't hear you?
Yeah.
You know, if you're like, babe.
Yeah.
In Africa, and they're like, mwah, mwah. How can you not hear me?
That loud.
You don't hear me? I've been clicking all morning.
Yeah.
How can you not hear me?
Yeah. Or sometimes you say their name in sex.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.